Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your featured speaker, Roma Pitadia.
Wow. Roma Pitadia, CEO and President of Affordable Insurance and Financial Services, MDRT, Court of the Table, and so many all other award winner. Today, it's my privilege to share secret of my success, especially during this pandemic time. My clients are no different. Pandemic is dragging people's moral, physique, and finance. They concern with their financial future, whatever the retirement plans, life insurance, and so many other things. And calling me, "Hey Roma, can I stop pay premium? You know what? I cannot pay for the premium. And what gonna happen? My money gone. Maro 401k. They think I'm there for. And that's why they are calling me. They have a concern to talk to me about their financial future. And that's why I'm here for. Pandemic taught me to bring my clients from and nurture to be their financial future and discuss about from personal to online and virtual. Fundamental of positivity and everything is the same. But the moral is being changed from virtually, personal to virtually. And I'm here. My clients know that. I'm here for them, for virtually and virtually all the time. And that's why they are calling me. And you know what? I use 4 strong pillars to make it positive. So building a financial strong future with building a strong relationship. Relationship building is the main thing about the make a financial future. Because I don't build customer, I build client. And client is all about trust and relationship, faith, what they have in as a financial advisor. It's my duty. I put myself in their feet and give them promising promotions about the financial future and their retirement. And I say, come on, let's go sit down. Answer the phone. I'm calling you. Let's do virtual meeting either on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter. I leverage technology because I don't know before that how to use the technology. This pandemic taught me how to use technology. I'm like a number person. I'm not an IT person, so it's difficult for me to use new technical and all that things. New generation, my second generation, already taken place for Instagram. And they are more into Instagram. I started to use Instagram as well. Before that, how to do Instagram, I don't know. Only Facebook, and that is only how you doing, what you doing. But now, I'm putting my milestones, my upcoming events, what's new as in the pandemic, how they can secure themselves with their health-wise and wealth-wise. And that's all things I discuss, I post on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. And also, what I do? Partnership with them. Partnership with them, sit down with them and say, come on, answer my phone. How you feel comfortable? Over the phone, over the Facebook, over the like a webcam, the way you feel comfortable, let's have a meeting. And I give them partnership and I give them secure their financial future. I literally take ownership of their financial future because they are confused right now. This is the time to keep them positive now than ever. So that's I do. And I give them a promise, promotions, and also so many other things with online, with visibility. And also what I do is the most important. I'm a student of my own product. And also, I'm an instructor as well. So I get the knowledge from world-class financial advisors and celebrities, and also I give them a world-class education. So make sure they are covered. And that way, this is like, what? Don't worry, retire happy. How? How many people has a building without roof? Is anybody why? The reason is roof is nothing without, building is nothing without roof. How many people, how many doctors, all are doctors over here, right? So many. How many doctors did surgery without X-ray? None, right? How come financial future and retirement plan we can do without long-term care? Is that possible? So this is the way I do partnership and connectivity, and that connectivity turn into activity, and rest is history.
Yeah! Roma Pizzadia! Roma Pizzadia!